It is an abandoned house. It has been left empty for years. I searched all morning for my keys, but I didn't find them. The story of Asan Kaigi is one of the most mysterious legends from the 14th century. The people who lived through war survived troubled times. The writer felt insulted by the rude comments people made about his book. Everyone in the house fell asleep by 11 o'clock. Folk tales usually teach the reader a lesson. Asan Kaigi respected nature and understood the importance of looking after our world. Akbata was so exhausted that she had to sit down and rest. When you are pleased with yourself about doing something, you feel proud.